Kapatisi TV.
Mukul Sangma ubalong unong yalam jongka Trinamul Kongres ulaong baulak kentajwar ya ka jingkam ba kidon katukan ni ki MDC ka TMC ki balalet penyeso bat ki wiki party shwa ka election sa Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Habakran Shakila patay kubor ha kasipau terek urisau ara jarapsan ulaong bakum kinong yalam hapo ka party kidon kam ban yetrilang da ka jing yasuthu jingmon bat ban penbet ya kinu ki jingbam yasuthu jingmon.
Let me not be disrespectful to these leaders. Some people don't have patience. Look at some people joining BJP, then again exploring other avenues. So, see, leaders must be seen moving ahead with complete clarity to convey a message to the masses, to the people whom we represent and whom we want to represent, with complete clarity as to what shall we do. Our actions, our decisions indicate that. If somebody is keeping quiet, that means somebody must be working on a strategy. Therefore, it is very crucial and important for each one of us to have mutual trust, mutual respect, and based on that we must build. Now, if there are people who do not have patience or do not want to face the challenges, there are challenges always associated. Maybe some of the leaders may have the tendency to see that, okay, the other road looks less bumpier, or this road looks bumpier, and the mountain through this is more steeper. So it's up to them. Let them have their wisdom and let them apply their own wisdom, because they are all elected leaders. But I will tell you one thing, that people who think alike, people who share the same zeal and same resolve with me, I think I have many people who are around. It is not that who are already elected are the leaders. You know, there are many leaders who are waiting to be nurtured and to be led. And I hope that at certain point of time, that is exactly what I will be doing.
Pin riu spa ya kak tin la jong pin dam kam ya ka bakan kiyo kak tin khasi kak tin la jong ai kan roi kan pa balai phi ong gate habangi don la ka jong ka kan tin khasi khardop lani phalor bli lani khang ya ka tu ka phalor ni ju ya ong Saka weipan, kakten kasi kam juong banya kiw yaw up, hinrengi kiw yaw tip. Tudayakan mau kendit ho. Lapan mi da Kapatisi TV, nakabenta ka jingmentoy upat ba.